हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज चंदन सिंह। सो गाइज, आज लाया हूँ 50 WH बेस्ड पैसिव के इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस है। इसमें WH होंगे, हमें इसका आंसर देना है। तो पहले धीरे धीरे देखते हैं, फिर हम स्पीड भी बढ़ाकर देखेंगे। चलिए। हु इज इन्वाइटेड टू द पार्टी? माई फ्रेंड इज इन्वाइटेड टू द पार्टी। वेन इज द होमवर्क चेक्ड? द होमवर्क इज चेक्ड एवरी डे। वेयर इज टी सर्व्ड इन दिस होटल? The tea is served there in that hotel. Why are the streets cleaned at night? The streets are cleaned at night because we want our streets to be neat and clean whether it is day or night. Which songs are played in the morning? Bhajan is played in the morning. What is taught in that school? English is taught in that school. Who is allowed to enter the room? Our family members are allowed to enter the room. Where are the books kept? The books are kept on the table. When are the windows opened? The windows are opened in the morning. Why is water supplied at night? Water is supplied at night because the customers make a call to the water supply person to send the water at night. How is food prepared here? Food is prepared here delicious. Food is prepared here with a lot of experiments. क्योंकि हाउ का आंसर क्या दे इंसान, कैसा फूड, हाउ इज फूड प्रिपेयर्ड है, कैसे फूड को प्रिपेयर किया जाता है? तो बहुत ही डिलीशियस तरीके से प्रिपेयर किया जाता है या बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट के साथ, ऐसे in a good way. Which subjects are taught in English? Which subjects are taught in English? English literature, English grammar, and even SST is also taught in English because the language is English. What is done to keep the garden clean? To keep the garden clean, basically, first of all, sweeping is done. After that, watering of the plants is done. And sometimes removing unwanted plants, wild plants are also, that activity is also done. When are letters usually deliver? When are letters usually deliver? Letters are delivered within a week. Why are children taken care of by nannies? Children are taken care of by nannies because parents go to their offices, so they hire nannies to look after the children. What is being prepared in the kitchen? I think rice or maybe any potato dish is being prepared in the kitchen. Who is being taught in the classroom? Sonu is being taught in the classroom. Where is the road being repaired? The road is being repaired 100 meters away from my house. Why is the hall being cleaned now? The hall is being cleaned now because some guests are coming this evening. When is the homework being checked? The homework is being checked right now. Which rooms are being painted? Those rooms are being painted. How are clothes being washed today? How का बहुत मुश्किल है जवाब देना. How are clothes being washed today? कपड़ों को कैसे धोया जा रहा है आज? The clothes are being washed with the help of washing machine and some powerful detergent. What is being done about the problem? Nothing is being done about the problem. The problem is still the same. Why is the car being washed so late? The car is being washed so late because the owner of the car has just come. That's the reason he is washing it right now. Who is being invited to the event? I think Mr. Malhotra is being invited to the event. Who was invited to the party yesterday? A lot of people were invited to the party yesterday. When was the homework checked? I think the homework was checked yesterday morning. Why was the meeting cancelled? The meeting was cancelled because the boss who was supposed to be the part of the meeting fell sick. That's the reason the meeting was cancelled. Where was the movie shown last week? The movie was shown in the PVR last week. What was done to solve the issue? To solve the issue, a meeting was held, and then a lot of discussions took place over there. Who was chosen as the winner? My friend was chosen as the winner. When were the windows closed? The windows were closed last night. Where were the books found? The books were found in the Almirah. How was the problem solved? The problem was solved by going to the police station. Which songs were played at the event? A lot of English songs were played at the event. What was said in the meeting? In the meeting, we were advised to come to the office on time and put our 100% efforts to the work and be perseverant. Why was the floor not clean? The floor was not clean because it wasn't dirty. When was the thief caught? The thief was caught last night. Who was called for help? I was called for help. Who will be invited to the next meeting? My friend and you will be invited to the next meeting. When will the homework be checked? The homework will be checked tomorrow. Why will the streets be cleaned tomorrow? The streets will be cleaned tomorrow because it has been dirty for a long time. अच्छा, यहाँ जो है कि who will be invited to the next meeting, मैंने कहा my friend and you. अगर हम 231 फॉलो करें, रूल एक आता है 231, तो मैं ऐसे बोल सकता हूँ you and my friend will be invited. Where will the food be served? The food will be served here on the table. What will be done about the complaint? What will be done about the complaint? I think any senior officer will come and put his effort to solve the problem. I think this is going to be done. Who will be chosen as the leader? I will be chosen as the leader. When will the movie be shown? The movie will be shown tomorrow. How will the problem be solved? The problem will be solved by calling those people. Why will the windows be closed early? The windows will be closed early because it is required. Which books will be published next year? My book English with Chandan will be published next year. So thank you very much everybody. I hope कि आपके समझ में आया होगा. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा. थैंक यू.